Hi, this is Elliot. I'm going back to my home. I know that I haven't been uploading the YouTube videos for some months, and that's because I was planning about the future of this channel and my work and so on, which means I haven't been doing anything, right? So actually, I have been playing with the vibe coding using closed code and anti-gravity. I think it's pretty fun, and I'm excited. So I know that a lot of people are really worried about this AI stuff, and then people are saying software devs will be gone, and so on and so on. But I want to use this metaphor. Like, are you using the calculator like TI 500, something like that? When I was like in elementary school, I remember I was like try to memorize all this multiplication stuff, right? But after I get into college, I started using calculator. There's no practical usage of multiplying 3-digit numbers in your brain. Same for the coding. Line by line coding is not really practical skill anymore. But if you are genuinely interested in architecting a new, software, product, whatever, to solve a certain problem, then you should be really excited, because that's what people have been doing, solving the problem. So here's one big misconception about robotics by these junior devs, because they think robot is cool. Yeah, it's cool. I totally agree. But it's not about just assembling kits, fastening bolts and nuts, soldering iron and then electric component. Yeah, that's all fun thing, but that's not the main focus of the robotics problem. I mean, robotics is really a huge field, but it's based on my own experience. During my past interviews, I never been really asked about like if I can write a Rust package or write a new message protocol. No one really asked me about if I can use Rust, but instead, what they were asking me is about this one perspective, and that is probabilistic robotics. Can you think robotics in terms of probability, in terms of statistics? So in one line, robotics to me is real-time data science and deep learning and so on. So it's real-time algorithm, and that it involves a lot of mathematical decisions and optimization and so on. So that's the decision-making process to solve the problem. In the recent video, I talked about this autonomous navigation using the cameras, custom build visual geometry algorithm and so on. And there's one comment saying that that camera can do out-of-the-box problem, and why I don't use it, more overcomplicated. But the problem is, I even mentioned that in the video, the out-of-the-box solutions doesn't just work. Have you really tried to use this camera outdoor and mount it on your camera, and did it work? Or would it work during the rainy day, snowy day, in the night? How do you work? Did you really test? If you are a good engineer, you should know not only how to build it, but also you should know what is the limitation of your product and solution. That's why I've been trying to publish all these low-level, like nitty-gritty details about, say, visual algorithm, instead of just using how to use, say, Rust 2 package like ORB Slam 3, how to connect. Well, that's trivial. Like, just ask AI, and AI will just connect the data for you. But the problem is degeneracy cases of the cameras. Do you even have a context to understand these degeneracy cases? Yeah, like this. You should understand when your algorithm may fail. So that's the decision-making process. If you hate to listen to some jargons like, Hilbert space, gradient descent, Newton-Gaussian optimization, Levenberg-Marquardt optimization, and what to choose among them, if you hate to listen to and think about these kind of things, probably reconsider if you want to be in the field of, at least autonomy, not just robotics in general, but autonomy, because it's all about the decision making. My conclusion is, it's not doomed. It's actually going to make the field more bipolar. The excellent engineers will be more excellent, and then the people who don't have internal motivation will, may suffer. I'm not a fortune teller, so I don't want to be decisive, but I think that's what's going to happen. It's more polarized in the future with the AI. So I think that's it. That's it for today, and then I will see you around.